Hi, this is Josiah Owen with Expert Village, and today we'll be talking about making meatless lasagna.
And now we're going to talk about beating eggs for our lasagna. And now we're going to talk about beating eggs for our lasagna. We start off by taking 2 medium eggs in a bowl, tap them on the side of the bowl, and then break it apart. Make sure you don't get any shell in there. So you do this nice and slow if you're not used to breaking eggs. Just tear it apart, get it all in there, and you can discard the shells. Now you have 2 eggs in a bowl. You can either grab a fork or a whisk. It's up to you. You just want to beat the eggs. You don't want to overbeat them. It's like making scrambled eggs. And there you go. There's your eggs for our lasagna.